Getting your website's categories and tags set up right can have tremendous SEO and user experience benefits, and not using them or using them incorrectly can go anywhere from being a missed opportunity to actually slowing down the indexing, crawling, and content quality of your website. In this video, I'm going to share with you the framework that we used for our own website as well as our clients' websites to automate internal linking, get users over to articles that they are likely to be interested in, and even make our content planning more manageable. My name is Frank. I'm the founder of SagaPixel. We are a digital marketing firm that does content marketing for our clients. Establishing the taxonomy, the categories and tags that we're going to use, is usually one of the first steps that we take. Now, our method is not the only method out there. I mean, it's worked for us, it's worked for our clients, but I know that there are other ways to do this. I'm really interested in hearing from you. So if you have anything to add to what I'm going to talk about in the video here, please leave it in the comments. And I'm actually interested in hearing how many of you actually use them in a very similar way to the way we use them. So let's jump into it. When we start out a new project, we want to get an idea of how people are going to want to consume the content. There are going to be more than one way to organize the topics that basically are supporting and organizing the content plans for our clients' websites, and we've got to figure out what that looks like. Often you'll find websites leave everything as uncategorized, or they set one category for the entire blog, and in other cases they add a brand new tag for every single article that they ever write. This is a huge no-no, by the way. Don't do that. To start, I really recommend that you limit the number of categories that you're going to be using, as well as limit the number of tags that you're going to use. Establish this ahead of time and give it a lot of thought if you decide afterwards that you want to add a new one. As you can see here, our categories are organized by marketing channels for the most part, and our tags are organized by industry for the most part. The thought process behind this is that when you read an article about medical spa SEO, for example, you may be interested in other articles about SEO, as well as other articles that are just about marketing a medical spa. So if you're reading our medical spa SEO article, there's a couple things that we're doing here. First, you'll see that we included a link to the SEO categories, which now has added an internal link to an archive, which in turn links to every single one of our SEO articles. This creates a nice cluster of internal linking around articles that are SEO centric. And on the side, we've created a feed of articles about medical spa marketing in general. We also set up this header right here to pull in the tag. So in this case, it says, check out some of our other medical spa marketing articles. This one says, check out some of our other home care marketing articles. And as you can see, it also links over to the web design category. So whenever we publish another article about home care marketing, it's going to get added to that list. We already have 7 home care marketing articles up on the website. So when we add an 8th, this one will automatically get internal sidebar links from the other 7. And anyone that's read another home care marketing article is going to see that we have this other article that they might be interested in checking out. Now, a word to the wise, every time you add a category or a tag, it creates an archive. So you can see we have for law firm articles, there are 13 of them on the website. This is an actual archive here. I can click on this and it will give me an entire feed of articles about law firm marketing. Even if you do no index these, you're going to see that Google is going to crawl them. And if you add hundreds or thousands of these, that's hundreds or thousands of pages that Google is going to have to get through before it gets to the brand new article that you wrote. Having too many of these will really slow down Google's indexing of your website. And if you forget to no index all of them, you very well may end up having some sort of content quality issues that Google starts seeing. You don't want your website to be the one with hundreds of pages that no one ever sees. Google notices that, just like people at the mall notice that one store that no one ever seems to come in or out of. Not exactly a trust signal. So again, I'm very interested in how you are using categories and tags to help your SEO. Please let us know in the comments.